Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. There's no shave test today. I'm just demonstrating my next restoration project. It's a set of 7 tennis razors and quite a elegant little box case. As you can see, the leather's quite dry and it doesn't quite meet the clasp because of it's shrunk a little bit. It's completely withered and dry. So I've going to use some neat's foot oil that I use on saddles to restore the case. So that should be an interesting project. And there's a set of 7, so they're all basically the same. They've had very little, if any, use. I'll take out Saturdays, for example, just to put that down. It's a set of 7 tennis razors. You can see there on the blade, this is not rust, it's grease. Because of the age, it's actually gone like treacle, which indicates to me that these have not been used and they will take up my arm hair without even stropping them. You can see there on the cutting edge, there grease there. And I'll just pull up a sleeve. You might be able to hear it, but the pivot is very stiff as well, you know, another indication. So I'm going to restore these. It won't take much to restore. Just a light polish and a hone. It's got the tennis racket logo on the tang. There you can just see. So I'm going to start to restore these this week. I'll just get another one out. I'll get Sunday's out. This one. Let's see if we can hear. You can't really hear it, but it's picking up the arm hair quite nicely. It says extra hollow ground on the blade, but it's a really good maker. Tennis, Solingen, obviously, Dovo, well recognised maker. So that's the project for this week, and hopefully by the end of the week they should all be shave ready for a good old shave test. Alright, thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you later on this week. Bye for now. Bye.